In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download Google Play Store apps here on your PC. Before you do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you don't know, the Google Play Store is full of amazing apps and games for Android devices. But what you might not have known is that you can actually run them on your PC, and in this video we're going to be going over exactly how you can download them and use Google Play Store apps here on Windows. All you need is at least a PC running Windows 7 or higher, which is going to be pretty much the majority of PCs now since it's 2025. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that you're going to want to do is actually open up a web browser of your choice. In my case, I'm going to use Google Chrome, but you could use whatever you'd like. And what you're going to want to go ahead and do in this browser is type in Game Loop just like so and hit enter. From here, go ahead and go to the first page just like so, and this is going to be gameloop.com. Now, what Game Loop is an Android emulator that lets you run apps and games here on your PC, and it's trusted by millions of users worldwide. Essentially, go ahead and click on this download button, just like so, and it's going to download the installer, where you just want to go ahead and click on the installer and go through the installation process by hitting yes, and then continue a few times, and you'll be good to go. Now, once it does install, it should look something like this. You can log in and create an account if you'd like, or what you could do is immediately go ahead and load into the library by clicking the library tab right here, and it's going to load a bunch of games. And believe me, there's a lot of them, so it might take a minute for them to all fully load in. But from here, all you have to go ahead and do is choose whatever game you want to go ahead and play. In my case, I actually chose Call of Duty Mobile in a previous video, so I fully downloaded that by just clicking the install button just like so. And then once it does finish installing, and it actually doesn't even take that long to install, you just got to go ahead and hit open on it just like so. It'll take a second to load. It might even go ahead and enforce the anti-cheating system, but it's going to close out of the Game Loop launcher and open up the Game Loop emulator, which it's doing right now, and then we'll be playing a Google Play Store app on our PC using Game Loop. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.